Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla hit our resistance at $288. We nailed it, this resistance. I mentioned this point yesterday on my yesterday's video, and right now it seems like we are having a rough time breaking it. Will Tesla break this resistance or not? What if it breaks? What if it fails in breaking this point? What could possibly happen to Tesla? Well, we'll see in this video. Just first remember to click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe, because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on what's the best regarding price action and technical analysis on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Now, if you want to trade with me, consider subscribing to my newsletters. Check my website. The link is in the description of this video. I share my personal portfolio with you guys, which is having an outstanding performance, if I may say this. So yes, we are performing extremely well. We are beating the market. We are beating Tesla's performance. So I think you guys are going to enjoy my services. Remember, check my website. My performance is totally public. Just click the link in the description of this video. Now, let's see what's going on Tesla today. It is a quite green day on Tesla and on the indices as well, which is great. Some stocks are not going up that much. We see Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, they are dropping today, but still, overall speaking, the market is in a good mood right now. But we see that Tesla is trading at a resistance level. In addition, it seems this resistance is working right now at this moment, because we tried to break this resistance this morning, and right now we are also trying to break it, but it is not giving too much confirmation right now. So it feels like Tesla is starting to get a little bit weak at this resistance. Now, what if Tesla drops? What if Tesla does a bearish top sign at this resistance level and confirms this top sign and drops a little bit more? In my humble opinion, we can drop all the way down to $280 down here, this black line over here, which is quite close to the 21 exponential moving average as well. So technically speaking, Tesla could drop more 2.5% roughly, and this is okay. That would not ruin the bullish bias we see on Tesla right now. So a drop of this magnitude is totally fine, is totally plausible. It would be even a healthy movement, because remember, pullbacks are just part of the game. We gotta see pullbacks sooner or later, and it is very good to see pullback right now, because we just hit a resistance level, a pullback without ruining the bullish bias. That would be quite healthy in my humble opinion, because it would offer just another opportunity to buy at a support level with a better risk-reward ratio. So there is no particular reason to panic if Tesla starts dropping. Of course, if you are a short-term trader and if you bought at 266 down here, and you are starting to get a little bit anxious, a little bit nervous in this resistance area, I am not gonna judge you if you wanna sell, at least partially. Okay, there is no need to do a hard buy, a hard sell every single time. You may buy partially or sell partially your position. So to me, if you wanna sell partially, that's okay. I'm not gonna judge you because you are selling at a resistance level. Do whatever it takes to calm yourself in this market in order to not get anxious, in order to not get stressed by it. Because the moment you start feeling nervous, it is the moment you will start losing money. Believe me, I know this. So right now, we just have to have some patience at this moment. A pullback is, of course, is plausible, it is acceptable, but if we lose the $280, then I believe the bullish bias will get weaker. All right. So we still should watch carefully the $280 $380. This is still a very important key point on Tesla. Right now, it is a very important support level. Until recently, until a few days ago, it was a very important resistance. Right now, it is a very important support level. Only if Tesla loses this support, I think the bullish bias will get weaker. Okay, but as long as it does a pullback to this point, that's okay. I think that's not a reason to panic at all. Now, what if Tesla breaks this point? Because as far as I'm concerned, people will always find a reason to panic, will always find a reason to get euphoric, and will always find a reason to feel miserable in this market. Hypothetically, let's say you bought Tesla at 266 and you sold Tesla at 288. Wow, that's incredible. You made 8% in 3 days. That's quite incredible. As far as I know, the S&P goes up roughly on average 8% per year. So yes, you made an entire year in 3 days. That was a phenomenal trade, of course. But of course, your happiness is not about what you did. It's about what's going to happen next, even if you sold, even if you already booked your profit. So if Tesla breaks this point and retests the $318, you will still feel pretty miserable. So it is all about emotional control. Remember, guys, price action, technical analysis is just the tip of an iceberg. In order to become a real good trader, a real good investor, you must have emotional control, emotional intelligence. Not intelligence, because the stock market is one of the very few places where intelligence does not tell much about your future performance. So emotional intelligence in this game, okay? This game requires a lot of emotional control. Now, if we break 288, what is the next resistance? The $300. To be more specific, the area around 302, all right? $302. Why? Because in the daily chart, this is a crystal clear resistance, a crystal clear top level in the past, right? It was a top level in the past. So if Tesla breaks the 288, I believe we're going to seek this point, and I believe we're going to do a V-shaped recovery. But I agree, it is important to break this resistance level in the 1 hour chart, the 288, as soon as possible, because if Tesla fails and starts dropping, it will give us the impression of a descending channel, right? Something like a descending channel. So yeah, I think it is important for Tesla to react as soon as possible and break the 288. If it fails, I believe we're gonna drop a little bit more. If it breaks 302, and then of course the trend will reverse in the short term, and potentially we're going to reverse in the midterm as well, because so far Tesla has been just moving sideways. We are not doing anything meaningful, but by triggering this double bottom chart pattern in the 1 hour chart, I believe we had a very good first signal. By breaking the 288, I believe we will have even more confirmation of a midterm bullish reversal to higher levels, potentially above the $300 again. And of course, I believe this is just a pullback, but we'll see, right? If Tesla does more bearish structures, then we should pay more attention. Of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated every single day in this channel. So seriously, consider subscribing and subscribe my services, my newsletters. I really appreciate your support, my dear friends. You're going to be impressed by my performance. I'm sure of it. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.